This one goes out to all my gamers out there. We've all been there. You know this feeling. Oh man.
I wake up early in the morning, make a gas sweep. It's like I'm in the nether cause I can't sleep. In case you got amnesia, man, I want that blue stuff. I got my iron pick with a fortune buff. I'm a Y12 baby cause that's where it's found. I'm so freaking low-key that I'm underground. I got big dreams of tearing at some big seams. So time to grind and hit the big leagues, yeah. I mine all day, I mine all night, I mine non-stop till those diamonds are inside. And